If you've ever opened CapCut PC and wondered where your saved project went, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your project on CapCut PC quickly and easily, so you can get back to editing without wasting time searching through folders or menus. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC on your computer. Once the app launches, you'll land on the home screen. This is the main starting point inside CapCut, and it's where your recent work is usually stored for quick access. If you've been working on a video project before, there's a good chance it will already be visible here. Now look for the Projects section on the home screen. This is where CapCut keeps your recent projects organized. Depending on your version of CapCut, you may see thumbnails, project names, or a list of your latest edits. Take a moment to browse through this section carefully, because many times your project will be right here without needing any extra steps. If you've created several projects, scroll through the recent list and look for the one you want. You can usually recognize it by the thumbnail preview or the project name. This is helpful if you remember when you last edited it, or what the project was about. Sometimes the fastest way to find your project is simply to visually scan the recent projects area. If you already know the exact name of the project, use the search box at the top. This is the easiest way to narrow things down fast, especially if you have a lot of saved projects. Click inside the search field, type the project name, and let CapCut filter the results for you. This can save you a lot of time compared to manually checking each project one by one. Once you see the project you want, click the project thumbnail to open it. CapCut will load your timeline, clips, edits, and everything else exactly where you left off. From there, you can continue editing, make changes, or export your final video. If you don't see the project right away, double-check that you're signed into the correct CapCut account, since your projects may be tied to a different login. Also, make sure you're looking in the right projects area and using the search field if needed. A small login difference can make it seem like a project is missing when it's actually stored under another account. And that's how to find your project on CapCut PC. It's really just a matter of checking the Projects section, browsing recent items, using search when needed, and opening the thumbnail for the project you want. Super simple once you know where to look. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.